friends, and welcome to day 20 of the Let's Get Blitzin' Cocktail Advent Calendar. Today's episode is sponsored by none other than Cointreau. It's very exciting. I'm very excited. The most delectable orange liqueur out there, and it is going to offer a delicious combination of bitter and sweet orange essences to enhance the smoky, citrusy, baking spice components that we have going on in this coming down the chimney Mezcal Margarita. So you should have steeped one Cinnamon-Rooibos-Chai tea bag in 4 ounces of mezcal for 1 hour to get your nice infused mezcal. So you're going to still get those vegetal, floral notes, a bit of that smoke. Lots of smoke from our mezcal. You're also going to need a bit of your gingerbread syrup, some freshly squeezed grapefruit and lemon, and we will be having a smoked cinnamon cigar for garnish and a couple dashes of orange bitters as well. Shall we? We shall. So, as I mentioned on the Sleigh Bell Sidecar episode of Virtual Happy Hour, Cointreau is crystalline. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. It's clear, as you can see, but it's in this beautiful amber 4-sided bottle. So now the founder, whose name is on the signature here, Edouard Cointreau, when he created Cointreau in 1885, he understood the importance of a strong visual identity. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of our Cinnamon-Rooibos-Chai-infused mezcal. And so he created this very beautiful amber 4-sided bottle, very recognizable. And it was inspired by women's perfume bottles of the era and a very cutting-edge aesthetic for the time. The other kind of claim to fame, there are several. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit. So far we've got 1.5 ounces of our infused mezcal, 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. We're adding 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit. The other kind of components is that through a very careful and mindful process, from grove to market, it's very intentional, very specific. Each orange is hand peeled meticulously to get the right shape, size, and thickness so that you get that right combination of bitter and sweet orange essences. So they use both bitter and sweet oranges that go into creating Cointreau. Part of the reason there's 4 sides to the bottle is because there are 4 primary ingredients. You've got orange essence, water, alcohol, and sugar. Also, for its time, when it was created in the late 1800s, 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. It was significantly less sweet than other orange liqueurs and other styles of liqueur on the market at the time, and that's because of the careful process of drying and distillation. So once those peels are hand removed in different shapes and sizes, depending on whether you're using the sweet or the bitter orange, they're let to sit to dry, sun dry, for 3 to 5 days until it's exactly 11% moisture content in each of the peels. 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon, 1/4 ounce of our gingerbread syrup. I thought that was pretty neat myself, I have to say. Very nice kind of ode to the 4-sided bottle, aside from obviously being very recognizable on the shelf. 2 dashes of orange bitters. And we are going to shake and serve over 1 king cube in a rocks glass, which I have here. Isn't that neat? There we go. 1 large cube. Whoops. I left my square cube ice cube tray at my parents' house. So now I just have these large spheres. Not quite as chunky as the square ones. I love the color on this. Matches my cardigan, as you may or may not have noticed. Now, cinnamon stick culinary torch. Everyone's favorite cocktailing accessory. Light it up. You just want to get it on fire. This is nice and smoky. You can smell the smoke. Just push that on the side. You can drop it in if you want to. Will likely fall in when you go to sip our coming down the chimney margarita anyway. Cheers. Guys, I don't want to alarm you. Some of my best work in this class, thanks to Cointreau. Yummers. Oh, I can't wait to get your feedback on this one. Love to know what you think. We learned a little bit more about how carefully Cointreau is made. I learned a lot in my research. That's kind of my favorite part of hosting happy hours, is learning, because I'm a sponge and my brain likes to be stimulated. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Hopefully you've been stimulated. Your thirst has been quenched, or it's about to be. I'll see you tomorrow for day 21. We are in the home stretch, babies. The home stretch. I will see you soon. And by soon, I mean tomorrow. Thank you for joining me.